Welcome to part 4 of our Getting Started series for the Heliotis Gen4 SDK. In this video, we will show you how to update the firmware of a Heliotis Gen4 device using the Heliotis Update Tool. Let's get started. First, check which version of the Gen4 SDK is installed on your PC. Open the Heliotis Update Tool and select Help, About. The DIFUS version shown here indicates the installed Gen4 SDK version. In our example, this is version 12.0. Now go to the Heliotis website and open Support Software Downloads. In the Gen4 device firmware section, download the Gen4 device update matching your installed SDK version. The first two version numbers must match. For example, DIFUS version 1.12. X requires device firmware from the 1.12 X series. For a normal firmware update, always use the IPKG package. You may also find a complete Gen4 device image in the download section. This image is only required for recovery purposes, for example, if the device is no longer accessible or if the SD card needs to be replaced. You do not need the device image for a regular firmware update. Now return to the Heliotis Update Tool and select Update Device List to search for Heliotis devices connected to the network. Then select the device you want to update. If the firmware installed on the device is not compatible with your C4 utility installation, the device status is indicated in red. To install the matching firmware, select Update Device and choose the IPKG file you downloaded from the Heliotis website. Start the update and wait until the firmware has been transferred and installed. Do not disconnect the device or interrupt its power supply while the update is in progress. Once the update has been completed, the device reboots automatically. After the device has restarted, select Update Device List again if necessary. The status indicator is now green, confirming that the installed firmware is compatible with your C4 utility installation. And that's it. Your Heliotis Gen4 device is now running the updated firmware. This concludes our Getting Started series for the Heliotis Gen4 SDK. For additional tutorials, programming examples, documentation, and software downloads, visit the Heliotis website. Thanks for watching.